Rubbernek Fittings here in Staffordshire needed a solution for a new part they were going to manufacture. Let's see how Citizen and their L32 helped with that solution.
Basically, they're not using a stop. Restroking on the main spindle is possibly 8 to 10 seconds quicker than actually feeding up to a stop. So that combined with 10 metres a second rapid times, they're blisteringly quick. The sales and support from Citizen, especially in the applications department, you're standing on the shoulders of giants. Their expertise, their knowledge is second to none.
I'm Mike Creighton and I'm the Group Managing Director and Chairman of RF Holdings, which is the ultimate owner of Rubbernek Fittings Limited. We originally bought Rubbernek Fittings in the mid-90s and we gradually invested in the company and brought it into the manufacturing outfit you'll see today. It is a first-tier supplier to a significant number of OEMs, both locally and globally, and we supply in excess of 2,000 part numbers and 5 million pieces per annum across the whole global enterprise.
The older machines that we had broke down quite frequently, slow cycle times. It made reliability difficult. We were trying to achieve on-time delivery, quality products, and to supply our customers. Our latest addition from Citizen is an L32. We've chosen that machine purely because of the accuracy of the other machines that we have in the cell. We already have another 3 machines that we've purchased from Citizen, and thanks to their reliability we've gone back for more. Citizens are great machines. Basically, they're not using a stop. Restroking on the main spindle is possibly 8 to 10 seconds quicker than actually feeding up to a stop. So that combined with 10 metres a second rapid times, they're blisteringly quick compared to what we've got. The sales and support from Citizen, especially in the applications department, you're standing on the shoulders of giants. Their expertise, their knowledge is second to none, and they've not really been shy in coming forward and helping us. So we've valued every step of the way their support. Citizen are locally based, they're only in Brierley Hill, so they're quick to react to any problems that we get. They're on the doorstep, they're there. Our latest L32 was purchased solely for an injector housing. When we challenged Citizen to produce a cycle time for us on the turnkey, they beat it dramatically. Well, our whole ethos has been about trying to produce high quality parts quickly. With the older machines that we had, we struggled with reliability, machine breakdowns, quality. Since having Citizen 4 years ago, we've improved dramatically.
Citizen have been first class in providing the objective in getting a reliable and repeatable machine tool into our organisation. Both their sales and service have been first class, and without any hesitation I would recommend them to a similar organisation making the similar type of product.